So Lane.
Was a.
What are we doing today?
You know, working.
Where at?
The marina.
Oh yeah.
And it feels good this morning. Now it was cold earlier. Really, really cold.
Yeah. So
really cold.
Today we're gonna do prep work, day 2 on Houseboat. Get it ready for graphics. Day 1 was already we pulled the handrails off and stuff, but we didn't video because it was raining.
Happens.
So today we're gonna remove stripes, prep the surface, get it ready to wrap.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. The boat. I'm gonna be removing those stripes, those stripes, those stripes. I'm gonna prep the whole surface, get all that smoothed down. Removing these stripes, which are painted. So we're really just gonna sand the edges of them. Get them sanded down, and then we're going to remove that, which is vinyl. We'll be pulling all that. Hanging out pretty good, eh? Huh? Yeah. Good. All right. Got a little dust on the camera. So here we go. We got all this. Lane's got started up there, hitting that one. The stripes are coming off pretty good. A nice little spider web right there. It's pretty cool. Still got to pull all the caulk out. You can see where that stuff gets all moldy and mildewed anyway. So it'd be good to get that redone. It doesn't look like it bonds real good to the window anyway. But yeah, so got all that. Started working on that one. And I got about that much of been jamming off there. So keep rocking it. We're gonna pull that off. Get rid of that. Pull them off. And that's about what we're done. So, still rocking it. It's our question, I guess, for today. What's our question today, Aaron? Would be we want to move to Colorado. Colorado.
Anybody in Colorado watching?
Yeah,
do y'all need rappers?
Anybody need some rappers or deep mobile detailing in Colorado? Yeah, we're from where?
California, so we should be welcome.
There you go. All right. Break time?
It's good to me.
What we eating?
Sandwich.
Sandwich? Alright.
That's what I think it is. Could be a floating trailer, like Aaron said earlier.
It is what it is.
Mobile home, floating mobile home.
There you go. Packing everything up for the day, boys.
well.
Might as well. Good job.
Is there anything else? I go ahead and look on the side.
Might as well look. See, some scrapers. Keeping all our stuff stored in here. This is what we got done today. Actually, day 2 prep work. We got this whole side sanded. We got all the caulk off the windows. The only place we really like is no place there. One place down here. This little place in between there. I'm going to get a sanding block for that. And we got that. The sand. We got the words off there. And that little stripe right there to sand off. And that'll finish this side. We'll probably have to sand some of those poles. I think we're wrapping those poles maybe. We'll see. And that's what we got today.